In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert charts from Google Sheets into Google Slides. This process can help you create more dynamic and visually appealing presentations by leveraging the data you've already compiled in your spreadsheets. So let's dive right in and streamline your workflow a bit more. First, open your Google Slides presentation where you want to insert the chart. It's important to have the slides file ready so you can quickly navigate to the slide where the chart should appear. Once you're in the presentation, move on to the menu bar at the top of the page. Click on the Insert option in the main toolbar. This menu will give you various options to add different features to your slides. Now, from the drop-down menu under Insert, you'll notice an option that says Chart. Hover over Chart, and a submenu will appear, showing options like bar, column, line, pie, and from Sheets. Since the data already exists in your Google Sheets, you'll want to choose From Sheets. This option allows you to pull existing charts from your sheets directly into the slides. After selecting From Sheets, a pop-up window will appear. This is where the integration magic begins. The window will display a list of all your Google Sheets files. Locate the specific sheet that contains the chart you've created and select it. The pop-up will then show all the charts available in that Google Sheet. Now look through the available charts and identify the one you want to import. Once you've found it, click on it and then select Insert at the bottom right of the pop-up window. It's a straightforward process, but make sure that the selected chart is indeed the one you want, as multiple charts from a complex spreadsheet might look similar. With the chart now inserted into your slide, you might want to make a few adjustments. Click on the chart again to bring up a set of editing tools. This versatility allows you to resize the chart or move it across different slides to fit the overall design of your presentation. Depending on your needs, you can customize the size to focus the audience's attention or make room for additional text and visual elements. Finally, consider any additional customizations you might want to apply. Sometimes adjusting the placement and size of your chart can dramatically improve the aesthetic and flow of your presentation's content. You can also re-import if you need to update the data. Just follow the same steps again. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively insert charts from Google Sheets into Google Slides, significantly enhancing the comprehensiveness and engagement of your presentations. Thank you for watching, and I hope these instructions help you create compelling